Hi, you are watching a tutorial of the DJI-RS 3 mini gimbal. I'll be going over how to balance your camera and connect your camera to the gimbal. Press down here to slide off the plate. Mount the plate to the camera with the lens facing forward. You'll want the plate on as tight as possible. Take the camera and slide the camera backwards. Once the camera is on the gimbal, lock it in. Once it's locked, you want to lock down your roll. Now locked, we are going to balance the tilt, the roll, and the pan. Unlock it here. Loosen the lever here for the tilt. You want to set it where the camera isn't leaning too far forward or backward. Make sure all of your attachments are on the camera beforehand. Once everything looks good, go ahead and lock your tilt. Move on to the roll and unlock the lever on the bottom. When it's free, pull the lever on the top. Slide the bar over to where the camera is level and does not lean. Lock down the lever and the roll. Now unlock the pan axis. Make sure the camera isn't leaning too much to the left or right. And if the camera looks good, go ahead and relock the pan. Now unlock all the axes. Power on the gimbal. Click the calibrate button. Hit confirm once it's done calibrating, then re-enter the main systems. Now let's go over some settings. There's the pan follow, pan tilt follow, and FPV, which is follow point of view. Custom 360 roll. Before filming, this is the cable you use to connect the camera and the gimbal. This is the charging cable for the gimbal. let's connect the gimbal to the camera. Now that the camera is talking to the gimbal, let's get filming. Pan follow. So this is the pan follow setting. Essentially, I'm going to pan and follow my subject. Pan, tilt, follow. Moving on to the pan, tilt, follow. This allows you to tilt and follow the movements of your tilt. And allows you to pan to the left and to the right. Follow point of view. The follow point of view setting will allow you to follow the subject or track movement around an object. .360 roll. The 360 roll has the camera rotate in a 360-degree motion. Custom settings. Here's the custom settings. This will allow you to adjust how you would like to control the gimbal on the tilt, roll, and the pan axis. Scroll wheel. You go to dial function and for the video, change this to pan and exit out. Now the scroll wheel will control the pan settings left to right. The trigger will lock the gimbal, which stops the camera from moving while keeping the mobility of the gimbal. Selfie mode. For selfie mode, select the pan tilt follow option and double-click the trigger twice. And double-click again to spin the camera back around. You are now ready to use a DJI RS3 mini gimbal. Happy filming!